Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today, let's start the project configuration. So, the first thing that you need to do is you need to install the Spring Tools for Eclipse. You can access this link, spring.io/tools, and you can download the file according to your operating system, Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. Install it in your machine. After that, you can download this MySQL server in your machine. You can access this link, downloads.mysql.com/archives/community. For product version, select 8.0.17 and select your operating system. Download this file and install it in your machine. The third item is the Beaver. The Beaver is a free universal database tool. So you can download this file and install it in your machine. When you have finished all these items, you can open the STS and create a new Spring Boot project. Let's do it. This is the STS window. So on the left side, we have Project Explorer window. You can right-click, select New, Other. In this window, you can select a Spring Starter project. Click Next. In this window, we have some configurations. So, for service URL, you can type start.spring.io. For name, you can type task list. Check use the full location and location field. Select the location for your project. Type, select Maven, Backend, jar, Java version 8, language Java. In group, you can type con.software.con.devops, artifact, task list, version 0.0.1-snapshot. For description, you can put, this is a task list application. And package, type con.software.con.devops.task list. After that, click Next. In this window, click Next and Finish. Now, the STS is creating your project. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to change the Spring version to 1.5.10.release in the pom.xml file. Let's do it. Open the pom.xml file. In parent tag, change the version from 2.4.4 to 1.5.10 release. Save the file, Ctrl S. And now let's add all dependencies that we need in this project. Save the file. We have some dependencies such as MySQL, Flyweight, Hibernate, Jackson, and Amazon S3. Close this file. And now let's fix this file. TasklistApplicationTests. Open this file and change this import from org.junit.Jupiter.api.Test to org.junit.Test. Save the file, Ctrl S, and close this file. Now, right-click in the project, select Maven, Update Project. Click OK. Maven is updating all dependencies. That's all I have today. In the next video, let's see the second part of this configuration. Thank you for watching.